This is a Mark IV Nissan Micra. We're going to change the air filter in the engine compartment today. This is a 2011 model. Now to open your bonnet, driver's side, pull this lever. Push, pull up. Where's the lever to hold it up? There. So, just there we are. Now, where is in the air filter will be, guys? I reckon it'll be in here. And it looks like it's in here, so I'm just gonna have a go. I've never seen it in there. Yep, easy peasy, there you go. Alright, is there any other clips? No, there you go. Nice and easy. And there's your air filter. How easy is that? So that's the dirty one. Let me grab the new one. So I use the Bosch one, guys. There's the new one. Just make sure it's roughly, and if it helps if you remember which way it went round. So put that to one side. Just slide that in there. There you go. And I would change air filter with every service. It's so cheap. Alright, just to show you, these are the holders, so they have to go down there in there, and then you just put it in and then go and clip it on. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in. It's quite flexible at the other end, so just looking over the camera. That's one, there we are. Close it, clip on, air filter change, service done. Awesome. Thank you for watching, guys. If this helps you, please leave a like, subscribe. I'll be doing more jobs with all my cars, and if it helps one person, the way I look at it is that's a good day's work. So there, I'll give you a tip. About 1/3 of the way down, let it go and check.